In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Fortnite PC Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a DualShock 4 controller and connect it to your PC wirelessly over Bluetooth. You will be able to play Fortnite or any other game compatible with controller inputs. So to start, make sure that Bluetooth is set up on your PC. You will be able to go over to Bluetooth and devices and enable it from here. Now sadly, I don't have a Bluetooth adapter at the moment, but I'm still going to give you proper instructions on how to set it up. So now with Bluetooth enabled, you will have an option here, and then you just have to put your controller into pairing mode. So to do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Hold the buttons until you see the flashlight indicator. So you will see a light flashing indicating that the controller is now into pairing mode. Now you can go back into the devices, choose the option to add a device and then select Bluetooth. Now you will be able to find it under the list of available devices and simply have to click it under the list. Once you select the controller, it will appear over here, successfully connected. Like I mentioned, sadly I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full because I don't have a Bluetooth adapter available, but if you selected it from the list and it appeared under devices here, you will now be able to go inside of Fortnite. It should automatically be detected, so whenever you press any buttons on the controller, it will automatically be usable. If it isn't working or you notice that you are still having the Xbox buttons displayed, then all that you have to do is go over to the settings, and inside of the settings, go over to the controller category, as you can see available here. You will be able to go over to controller and controller mapping to change a lot of options, including the input type. So all that you have to do is confirm that you selected PlayStation 4. And with this done, all of the icons will be displayed accordingly. You will be able to use your controller in any game mode and it will work natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Fortnite PC Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.